Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. My pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Oh, welcome, welcome. I'm Bye Bye Money. We stream here every single day live. The Emini. Wayne Bignell, good morning. Happy Camper, good morning. D. Lou, welcome back, guys. Joshua Goolsby, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hugh, good morning. Welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. Believe it or not, pandas, we have a monster promo going on right now. BBM 80 for 80% off Apex evals and also 1 day to pass. You guys saw it here first when we had the 20K sub special. We had both promos going on, and that was wild. That was a wild time. But now the promo's back, pandas. BBM 80 1 day to pass. Let's go, baby. Just one single day to pass, pandas. Goodness gracious. Literally, that means in 2 weeks you can essentially get a payout. From start to finish. I'm looking for a trap trade here, pandas. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hugh, welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining. Hope everyone traded well yesterday. Yesterday was pretty tough, I think. I thought it was a big trading range, so it was difficult, and you had to continue for reversals, and that's what it was. So, big trading range day yesterday. Let's see if I can capture. It feels like I just short here. Let's quick look at the news, pandas. We had news this morning at 8:30, and it was a core retail sales and retail sales month over month. Both of those happened earlier today, and at 8:30. Let's see if it made a big move. It made a decent move down. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points move down. If I were to bank on a big news event, it'll be tomorrow, Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Unemployment claims. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat as well. Thanks for joining. Got 9 likes, pandas. I believe you guys are better than that. I see your account drop. Well, I ended the stream yesterday negative 200. I took a couple trades, and the market just got wacky, straight wacky with me. The 5-minute chart got real wacky. With this candle down, just took my stops out. I had a swing trade going on here, and I was thinking we were gonna hit the previous day's close. We never actually got to it, and unfortunately, this big move down got me. But after stream, I took a couple more trades and got the count up to, instead of negative 200 to negative 100. So even though still a red day, relatively unscathed. Relatively unscathed. Dylan, good morning. Black Light, good morning. Morning, Pans. I mean, honestly, I think yesterday was difficult. So let me ask how you guys did. I thought yesterday was wacky. To be honest, very wacky. We have a historic promo, first time ever officially with Apex. We have BBM 80 and also 1 day to pass. Absolutely incredible. Pandas, have you noticed something? Have you noticed something strange? All the other YouTubers are jumping back onto Apex or jumping to Apex the first time. The top step smooth brainers are finally realizing that we've been doing it right this entire time. But Pandas, let me just remind you. We started with Apex. We were one of the first. I think the first to stream with Apex. You know why? Because here there's no games. I'm not playing any games here. I want to give you guys the best from the start. I'm not gonna play games with Top Step Trader when I know Apex is better. There's no reason for me to play those games. But the weird thing is that they all kind of jumped ship at the same time. It makes me feel like something's happening behind the scenes. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong, but it just seems a little sus that all of them would jump ship at the same time. Isn't that a little strange? Is it just me? I don't know. But only the best for the Pandas. Dylan asked, do you still need a third party to take payouts with Apex? Depends. If you're outside the United States, I think you do. If you're not, you can use direct deposits. I mean, if you are in the US, then you can use direct deposits. Market's about to open. I'll be right back. What a strong move down we had. Incredible. Quick look at the daily chart as we get ready for today. Daily chart, we're coming back. I thought we were going to hit the 20 EMA yesterday, but we ended up hitting it overnight and smashing through it. We have a second entry long, as you can see with this dark green super signal here on the daily chart. We got a second entry long about to being formed right now. I'm not sure if it's going to be a good spot. Depends on if we get a good signal bar, if we're above the 20 EMA. Depends on those things. But if those things don't come to fruition, then we might be looking for a trap instead. But this is also converting to a trading range altogether. Very confusing when the market starts to transition from one market cycle to another. It will always be confusing, Panda. That will always be confusing. That is just the nature of the market. Yesterday, what an interesting day. Basically a trading range day yesterday. Closing near where we essentially opened. And yeah, so that's why I feel like yesterday was difficult, because when you have a trading range day, typically the price action within the day is very choppy. So that's why I'm asking, put a poll up. And it seems like a lot of you guys did okay. It seems 56% of you guys saying good so far, and we got 6% of you guys saying flawless. Flawless victory. Goodness gracious. Teach me, please. Nothing more to learn. 2 pushes down. Second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart. 2,000 tick chart. It's looking bearish to me. Market's about to open 3 minutes. It's really strange that your Ninja Trader keeps crashing. That's really concerning. When you trade, like if you don't feel like your platform is reliable, it's very, very, very like distracting. That's like first priority is make sure it's reliable. If it's not reliable, I don't think you can use it. One more minute to market open. Make sure you get scalp that like button. Pandas, let's get our bamboo today. Pandas, I may start trading a little more aggressively here, to be honest. I think I'm gonna be a little more aggressive on this trading. On this thing called trading. I gotta capture my market cycle here. Market's about to open. Give me a fail second entry long. Or sorry, give me a fail second entry short here. I'll take it. Second entry short. About to trigger here. Market's about to open though. Market just opened. Ooh, 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits in one spot, Pandas. 6 hits, one spot. That is not normal, Pandas. I'm marking that. That's a ledge right there. 6 hits in one spot. There is something definitely going on in this area. That is crazy. 6 hits in one spot, Pandas. I don't care if it's pre-market, if it's post-market, if it's the market, black market. It doesn't matter. If there's 6 hits here, I'm marking it. Goodness gracious. What in the world? It's a ledge here, essentially. It's maybe be a magnet for us all day. If we go through it, I'm expecting to come right back up. That's crazy. 6 hits in one spot, pandas. That's not normal. You need to pay attention to that. Huge move down, 5-minute chart, right? Big, big, big gap on 5-minute. Like I said, pandas, I'm gonna be a little more aggressive today. Let's hope we get a nice trend day today. That'd be great. Might be a bear trend day today. It's like a really huge gap down. Surprisingly huge gap down. If there's a ledge here, pandas, you gotta pay attention to this. 6 hits in a row. You're talking about $5,000 product, and the market hitting one price, the same price, exact same price, 6 times in a row. Quite a strong push down, though. This could be your edge for the day. Noticing this this ledge. That could be your edge. The ledge is your edge. Most likely come back trading to it and through it sometime today. Don't get me wrong though. We gotta trade the market we see right now. It's a downtrend. What do I do here? Good morning, guys. Frozen Motion, welcome. Ruben, welcome. Somewhere in the Rocky says top step is now bottom step. It's the misstep, really. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. Pandas. Am I looking for a reversal here is the question. I really want to see the 5-minute chart, 5-minute candle. It looks like a strong bear bar being formed. We could just have a bear trend day today. It's just be surprising that we'll slice right through the 20 EMA on the daily chart. This is surprising to me. Unexpected, really. Strong bear bar forming a 5-minute chart. Could have just followed through straight up. It's so far away from the 20 EMA though. Right, the 5-minute chart, like you're thinking follow through on that bar. It's so far away from 20 EMA though. Like what's your risk really? What you're thinking? What are you thinking for your risk? It makes sense though. We have follow through on the strong bear bar. It's just so far away from 20 EMA. It's hard for me to take. But it makes sense that we keep going down here. Right, with a strong bear bar like that on the 5-minute chart, you're thinking follow through. I'm gonna start being a little more aggressive on my trading here. Vegas futures, good morning. Okay, no follow through on the 5 minute yet. It's a bit surprising. I don't know. I got no setup here though. That's all I know. It's just a little sus. Good morning, guys. Make sure you scalp that like button. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday, hump day. Let's get over this hump. Okay, it's just confusing. Very choppy, but downtrend. Ledge right above. Got a ledge right above. When you get 6 hits in a row in one price, you gotta pay attention to that.
$10,000 tick trap.
Absolute no follow through on that strong bear bar on the 5 minute chart. Interesting. Very interesting here. YL full or static account better? It depends, but usually the full is better. The static, you can only trade 2 contracts at a time, which for some people might be a good thing. Okay, bouncing off the 20 MA now. First entry. It's a hit is like extra short. Coming back to the ledge here. Just not surprising if we do. Expected actually. This blue line is gonna be our ledge. I'll make it even thicker so you guys can pay attention to it. Now it's thick. 2 C's. Coming back to the ledge. Very interesting. 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar. Most likely what's supposed to happen is follow through. Now the unlikely thing has happened where we just completely reverse it. So we might look for a full-blown reversal here. But we're basically just at our ledge right now. Right? This line. I've even changed the color so you guys can pay attention to it. Fail second entry short, perhaps. Fail second entry short, perhaps here. Right out the open.
10,000 tick trap.
That's why you gotta wait for your setup, pandas. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Goodness gracious. Huh. Interesting. I'll still take this. It looks like a limit order market currently. Reversing on me immediately. Limit order market starting to turn to a trading range rather than a nice trend reversal here. I know it looks like a lot of contracts, pandas, but it's not that many. It's just 2 contracts. This is gonna get me. Very, very trappy here. Double trap essentially. It's a double trap, and it's getting basically turning to a trading range. It triggers my trap and then immediately reverses, which is not good for me, obviously. I'm expecting maybe an all-day uptrend after this, but it looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Yeah, for certain. Yep, retesting the wick. I'm out. Darn. I was trading aggressive, thinking we get a nice swing trade there. Just an opening reversal, but instead the MES turns to this. And traders, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be a little more aggressive right now. I'm gonna trade a little more aggressively. That hurts though. I'm not gonna lie. That hurts. Jeez. It's okay, Panos. We can make it up. What a trick. What a trick. 2000 tick chart trick. Right, trap. The 2000 tick chart, of course, is trash. Always. Gives you a nice little trap trade here and completely reverses on you. So the trap fails on the 2000 tick above the 20 MA. Of course, it's complete trash. The 2000 tick chart. The risk there wasn't too much. What was it? It was 1, 2, 3 point risk. Alright, it's not bad. Panda, why not trade ES to same commissions? Then the runners. The runners. It's the runners. I want to have runners. If I do trade 2, then I can't have proper runner ratio. But I want to trade aggressively, and that was my aggressive setup. Now we're getting completely overlapping bars on the 5-minute chart. Completely overlapping. I think, to me, this looks more like a trading range. Right? Limit order market. Limit orders here. Sell limit orders here. Probably buy limits here or a little bit below. Overall, going to be a tricky day for me. I don't like days like this. It's going to be very difficult for me. Like, am I supposed to go long here? I don't know. Come back to the ledge, this magenta line. You're thinking limit order buys beneath here, right? Because of the overlapping, 3 overlapping bars. Completely overlapping bars. Could be also a bear flag. Another push down. Big push down, right? Big gap. Another push down. Perhaps. I'm thinking more along the lines of it being trading range because of our ledge here. I may take stabs at coming back up to the ledge on the micros. Okay, come back up. Potential trade to the downside. Fail second entry. Long. Do I like it? I don't. I think we're in a limit order market. And this trap fails. I wouldn't be surprised if this trap fails as well. But we'll see. Pushes down. Ultimately, what I want to see is like a higher low or something like that. Something that would tell me that our failed trap could be a decent setup as well. The higher low, the problem with the higher low is there just might not be enough room back to the top of the trading range. If this is a trading range. Don't get married to any premise here. I'm completely ready to see this just become a strong downtrend day today. Could happen. Alright, looks like it's about to happen, right? This failed trap might give us the, you know, the tempo for the rest of the day. The failed trap here really could be telling to us, saying that we might be in a downtrend. Ooh, another push down. Is it gonna be a downtrend day today, pandas? Should I bank on a downtrend day today? I don't know. I don't think so. It could be though. It could be, obviously. The reason why I'm not trying to go down, like sell here, is because on the 5-minute chart we have completely overlapping bars, which makes me feel like this is more like a trading range. But I could be wrong. I mean, it could be a strong downtrend day today. I could be completely wrong here. But I gotta look at the price action that is currently given on the 5-minute and 3 overlapping bars, completely overlapping essentially. Makes me feel like it's a limit order market more than anything else. And now the 2000 tick chart is starting to get a little bit choppy. Plus we have a ledge right above. We have a ledge right above here. Geo, good morning. Mo7, welcome. Lou, welcome. Ruben, welcome. Avalon, welcome. Blue Steel, welcome back. Welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. Yours truly is down 324. Took aggressive reversal trade here and paid the price, but we'll get it. We'll get it sooner or later. Okay. Okay, it gets shot back down. Interesting. Still feels like a limit order market. Still feels very choppy. Like a trading range. Couple hits off the 20 MA here though. Another push down. Interesting. Okay.
don't know. This looks pretty bearish, but man, I don't know. It's hard to say. It's a higher low setup here. L4 setup. Micro quint bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just too confusing at the moment to really say, to feel confident in anything, at least for me. Second entry short here could be a strong move down. Could lead to a strong move down. I don't know. The price action currently telling me very choppy. It's very choppy right now. 50-50, but we've been spending more time underneath the 20 MA this entire time. It's just very confusing, at least to me. Second entry short here. That is crazy. Another ledge here, pandas. It's another ledge. 6 hits in one spot. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits. Another ledge. I'm gonna mark it, pandas. We got 2 ledges going on today. It's insane. We're in the world between ledges right now. I'll take a higher low here if we can get one. Give me a higher low, I'll take it.
10,000 tick trap.
No higher lows given. This is why this looks so sus, right? It looks so sus to go short here. Look how choppy it was getting. Now we're getting this trading range price. Oh, blasts upwards, pandas. Blasting upwards. Whoa. Blasting upwards right now. Right to the ledge. Right back to our ledge up here. Right, bottom to the ledge, back to the top. Right, we got 2 ledges right now. It's very rare to see that, I think. We might come right back to the bottom of this ledge. It just shot right up, pandas. See, 2,000 tick chart, right? From this this magenta line to this magenta line. Right, we got these 2 ledges. And we're just like ping-ponging between them. Pinballing between them. Goodness gracious, pandas. What is this? Huh. Interesting. It's gonna buy here. Gonna buy and sell here. See what happens. Buy here, sell here. Gonna continue to do that. See what happens. Okay, very confusing. Right, the 5-minute chart is it's just telling you this is very confusing. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars. Basically been trading within the same range this entire time. I'm just buy and sell here, see what happens. buy and sell. Let's buy and sell here. Ooh, got close. Didn't quite touch it yet. I want to actually touch before I buy this, because I need the price action of the Emini. I need to move it right when it touches. Sometimes the MES will touch it before the Emini and trigger like a false. Alright, we're in. The land between the ledges. Let's see if we can get it, pandas. Would it be crazy? We sell here right when we buy? Right when we get out? Let's just see how long we can ping pong this for. Maybe not for long. I might get stopped out here. Who knows? It takes me out break even plus one. I don't know, pandas. What's going on here? This looks wacky. Of course, the 2000 tick chart is absolute trash. Why do I trade a 2000 tick chart still? I have no clue. No clue, pandas. We're making a second entry long here now.
Trading range rules. Buy low, sell high. Is that what we're trying to do here? Trading range rules. Trading range rules. Buy low, sell high.
I still would like a higher low here. I'll enter in a higher low.
$10,000 tick trap.
Ah, darn it. Might miss the boat here.
Bottom of the ledge to top of the ledge. Right, bottom ledge to top ledge, essentially, right? The 2000 tick chart. Bottom to top.
Darn.
At the end, you had to be aggressive and take the second entry long here off the bottom of the ledge. Off the bottom ledge, sorry. Bottom ledge here. Or lower ledge, really. That's the only way to really capitalize on a little scalp here.
I don't know. I'll just say right now, I don't like days like this. I like it, but this one seems sketch. I would prefer to sell a top instead of buying the bottom. That makes sense too.
I mean, we're kind of in a downtrend, so you want to sell up here, if anything.
Yeah, it ends up pretty much getting to the target I thought I was going to get to. It is what it is.
It's just like when you see the 5-minute look like this, you know, when it starts to look like this, you're just
You gotta automatically assume.
trading range, and that's exactly what's happening. And that's what I try to take advantage of, but you know,
Apparently not.
I should be going short here, huh?
The move up looks so strong though. I don't know if I can go short here right now. Darn, I had that trade. Basically. I was in this trade essentially.
Didn't hold the proper stop loss. I basically, you know, once we moved like 2 points, I came up break even, and definitely had to have held the proper stop loss there. Now we're kind of breaking fairly far above the ledge here, but this ledge, I think, will be tested often. Even this ledge down here, there's actually another ledge down here. So like, your thinking is we'll probably end the day actually maybe between these two ledges. We can end the day here. It's very possible. Bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 10,000 tick chart.
But my mind is always thinking breakouts. But
Is today going to be a trending day? I don't know. From the current price action, doesn't seem like so. Right, get the ledge here. You got all this overlap. You get these kind of big up, big up, then maybe another big down. Man, that's unfortunate. I had this trade in the bag, but maybe I was just too scared. I don't know. In general, I would like a higher low, right, to get back to the top of the range. The problem is the range is too small, and you know, it's just to take the second entry long like this, pretty hard to do, in my opinion. We could potentially trade a breakout here, but again, it's not the day for it. This is not the day for the breakouts. But we failed here once. I may attempt it again here if we get another opportunity. Maybe looking for 5-point swing. That's it. 5-point swing with the runners. See how far the runners go. Could attempt this again, this trap, but man, it's silly. It's a silly trade, but I'll maybe attempt it again. Just say this is a double bottom, basically like a W pattern. The price action itself is choppy, so that makes me think we may come back into a trading range. But right now we are attempting to break out here. Will it be successful? I don't know. I'll say this though, the only setup I'll take right now is a fail second entry short. And we may get it here. May just get the second entry short here. I like it off of support, off either the ledge or the 20 EMA. I prefer to have it bounce off one of those supports. It's floating right now. It's hard for me to take this. It's just simply floating in midair. It's silly for me to take this. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Oof. Definitely cannot take this. It's such a dumb trade, Pandas, if I take this trap. It is the dumbest of dumb trades. It'd be purely for content. Pure content trade here if I take this. Ooh, I'm scared. It's a pure content trade. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of glad it's doing this, so I'll be less tempted to take this. So many overlapping bars, so sus. The most sus of sus trades right here. Sussiest of all sus. If we tap off the 20 EMA or the, this ledge here, then I'll consider it. I'll consider going heavy here. Consider going heavy here. Okay, we are basically essentially testing it here. Strong bear bar. That's a really hard, right? That's really hard to take this candle, the reverse on this candle here. You got a second inch short forming on the 5-minute chart. It makes more sense to go short here, in my opinion, right? That this trap fails and comes back down. It makes more sense to take that trade, no? At least for me. A failed trap is probably a better setup here, in my opinion. Failed trap. Should I wait for that, Pandas? I think that makes more sense, no? Failed trap. We also got breakout and retest. It's always tough here. Signal bar is a doji bar. I don't know, Pandas. This one's tough. Do I take the trap? Or do I take the trap? I guess I'll take the trap. it's clearly bouncing off. Like this is like a perfect breakout retest of like this area that was once resistance now being support. It's like the textbook trade to take, pandas. This is really the textbook trade to take. And I'm not taking it, pandas. It's like so textbook. It's like you see in a textbook and then you look for it in real life. You never really see it. But here it is before us, a unicorn. It's a breakout retest off the 20 EMA, off of this area. It looks like I missed my setup. Oh man, he days like this. It's a textbook trade, pandas. Yours truly didn't take it. I don't know. I saw a better setup, thinking we might come back into this trading range because we were trading range this entire time. Also, I saw second entry shorts forming on the 5-minute chart and 10,000 tick chart second entry shorts here. So I felt like, yeah, like it makes more sense to look for the reversal here. The follow through is not good at all, which makes me a little bit happy that I didn't take this trade. I would have made my 1-to-1 for sure, but more than that, I don't know. I don't think I would miss much on that trade, huh? Bouncing right off the 20 EMA again. Oh man, this it's like a weird thing, right? Because like it looks like a trading range, but it's a breakout with a retest. And most breakouts fail, so I don't know. I mean, it's coming right back up, so even though there's no follow through, it's tough. This one's tough, pandas. I'll tell you that much. This is tough. Very tough. This is tough, pandas. Still looks choppy to me, right? You got bear bars, no follow through, bull bars, no follow through. But we're clearly above the 20 MA, about to make a new high. What to do here? This chart has a bunch of red flags. Bunch of red flags. It's like when you meet a girl and let's just say the girl is really, really attractive, but they just have a bunch of red flags. They do weird stuff. They start yelling at you for no reason, and one moment they're super happy, the next moment they're crying. And it's just, you just see that all of a sudden you see this very unstable behavior, and you're just wondering, man, like you could make it work. It could work out. But with all these red flags, you just really gotta maybe sit on your paws here and swipe left. I don't know, pandas. I don't know, pandas. It's like one of those situations. I'm still waiting for a nice setup to take that I like. Like a 10 out of 10 setup. Like a setup that I have to be like, I gotta just take it. It might be the second inch short on the 5-minute chart. But we're clearly above the 20 MA. Right now it's a spiking channel. And this channel is looking like a big old slug. Slug, so much. It's like almost filled in with color because it's so choppy.
this channel. This was tough, man. This was tough. Second entry short may trigger all on the 5-minute chart. Touching our ledge again here.
Tick trap.
Bouncing right off of it, huh? Bouncing right off that ledge. Second entry short does trigger on the 5-minute chart, but it's just too ugly. I can't take it. I cannot take the second entry short. It is way too ugly. But it makes sense to take. Come back to the bottom, to the lower ledge here. These two blue lines. Now I'm not so upset not taking that long. I think what I'm saying, what I've been saying, is coming to fruition here. This looks more like a trading range more than a trending type day right now. So far, at least.
10,000 tick trap.
Trap almost on the 10,000 tick chart. And I almost have a trap also on the 5-minute. I don't know. A lower high is tempting here. A lower high is really tempting here. But overall, I'm sitting in my pause. Pause sitting day, you know? Lower high setting up here. Lower high looking decent. For a nice push down back to the lower ledge. I mean, I gotta take the fail second entry long here if it triggers. Is this a fail second entry long, Pandas? That's like my 10 out of 10 setup here. Is it not? If I get a fail second entry long, 10 out of 10 setup? Question is, will I get a fail second entry long? Probably not. Probably go without me. It's too good to be true, most likely. Won't happen. Yeah, it's gonna go straight down to the bottom ledge. Like I mentioned, like I was tempted to go long here because of that perfect breakout retest, but the price action was telling me more of trading range than anything. Are we getting our 10 out of 10 here? 10 out of 10? Can we? Will we? We shall see. Fail second entry long here is a 10 out of 10 setup for me. But will we get it is the question. Inside bar, it breaks to the downside. So that was your setup. That's all you're going to get. That's what the market's telling you. Saying all you're going to get is this inside bar. No fail second entry long. No second entry long for you. That's what the market's saying. No two-leggy for you. Fail second entry long here, maybe. Maybe. Fail second entry long here. Maybe. It's a little bit far away from the 20 EMA now. It's not as good. It's like a 7 out of 10 now for me. 7 out of 10. Trade. I wish it happened up here. Rather, it's happening right in the middle of the trading range. But yours truly is aggro today. Let me trade aggro here. Outside bar reversal makes it even less inclined to take it. Always gotta wait for the setup. Hasn't happened yet. This is why you wait. Overlapping bars, I actually don't like that. It's more like a trading range. I kind of want this to pop up to the 20 EMA now, if I can. I prefer that at this point, right? Because now this is getting very choppy here, right in the middle. Get in the chopper. Very choppy. Just waiting. You gotta have fast reflexes when you trade. What was that? You have real fast reflexes here. Okay. So technically this hasn't triggered. It's getting very choppy now. Like 4 or 5 overlapping bars in a row. Dumb trade to take. It's becoming like a 5 out of 10 trade now. It was a 10 out of 10 turned to 5 out of 10. But I'm desperate. Desperate for a trade here. Whoa, this is so choppy. This is so overlapping. I'm really glad I didn't trigger. Jeez. Now I want it to trigger. Now I want it to come back down. Yes, now I definitely want it to come back down. Now I want it to come down, but it's not coming down at all. Now it is rocketing upwards. I'll take it here. Sure, why not? Could be looking at a massive reversal here. Double bottom, leading to a higher bottom, right? A higher low. Could lead to a massive reversal here. It could. It looks quite bullish now, actually. It's really hard for me to take this trap now. It is above the 20 EMA. I don't know, pandas. What do I do? If it's above the 20 EMA, I can't take it. This is so sus. Pray for me. Thoughts and prayers. This looks so bullish. It doesn't make any sense for me to go short here. It looks so bullish. I should be going long, huh? should be going long. Looks so bullish right now. Micro triple bottom. Whoa! Forget about it. Forget about it, pandas. Forget about it. Oh my. Yeah. Pandas. What is happening? I can't trade this. It looked so bullish and exploded upwards. Now it's going right back down. Goodness gracious, I can't trade this. I don't know what's happening. Yeah. All right. Well, never mind then, pandas. I guess we're going up. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Whew. I don't know what to do here, parents. This day I thought it was gonna be nice, but ended up being very, very trading rangy. I mean, this is like definition of rangy. I mean, we got a sense of it with the two ledges, essentially. With those two ledges forming like that, you're thinking trading range. Right, 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, once you saw these three overlapping bars, you're already thinking, something weird's happening. Right, limit order market. Went straight into a limit order market right at the open. Something strange has happened, for sure. Double top now. It's not really a setup though for me. I like the short here actually. It makes sense to me, the short here. Back to the bottom of the lower ledge. But I like a lower high setup. I prefer that. Give me a lower high, I'll take it. Give me a lower high, I'll take it.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, I'll take it. bad signal bar, pandas. It's a really ugly looking signal bar here. It just makes more sense to go short with this market cycle than to go long here, in my opinion. And if we get a lower high, I'd be interested. I personally think it's creating a triangle of some sort.
$10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, okay, 10,000 tick trap. Okay, okay. Lower high does trigger here. Should I take it? Not gonna lie, it's just confusing. I'm sitting on my pause. Hey, I hope you guys are doing better than me. I took one super trade and it didn't work out, and now I'm sitting on my pause. And if it worked out, this would be a different story, but it did not. So we're just hanging out here now. Oh man, this is interesting. This looks weird. This looks really weird to me. I don't think I can take that long. I cannot take that long. We really just love this ledge here. We're just going in and out of it right now. Can I even go short here is a question. I don't know. This just looks so sus. I'm so confused, pandas. I am truly confused. I'm a confused panda here. I'm like rolling around. I have no idea what's happening. I can't figure this one out. This one's tough. This day is tough for me. Not gonna lie. I cannot take this trade just because it's so choppy. It's so choppy. Even if it reverses here, I cannot take it. It's too choppy. We got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Steven Wainer up to 12, doing better than me. Does trigger here. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I want to take it. Okay, decent bear bar, but still within like the previous bar's ranges. Right? You're like several bars in, overlapping. It's hard to really know what's going to happen here. Okay, pushing down. I still thought it was gonna happen. It's just really hard to have traded that, in my opinion. I just don't know. So might as well just sit on my pause. What a choppy day. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. When you have a day like this, it's just tough. It's just hard. It's just difficult. You just don't really know what's gonna happen.
You could think that maybe it's trading range, sell near the top, buy near the bottom. But even if you try to, right,
10,000
buy
tick
near the
trap.
bottom, where are you buying? Like, it doesn't really quite touch the bottom here. But maybe that's the clue. Maybe that's what we need to know. This has to make a move soon. Outside par. Bouncing off the bottom of the triangle. Breaking to the top side. Strong bull bar, ending near a tie. Doesn't mean much in trading ranges though. Or doesn't mean what it means in a trend, right? Strong bull bars in a trend, on a trending day means you buy. Strong bull bar on a trading range day means you sit on your paws. Avalon just past 1 day eval. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. By the way, pandas, the promo of promos. The promos of promos right now. It's the holy grail of promos. It's BBM 80 with 80% off Apex and 1 day to pass. It's a promo of promos, especially on days like this. It's perfect. Where it's super choppy. You have no idea what's happening. Evals are cheap, very cheap right now, and it only takes 1 day to pass. Absolutely incredible. It's the holy grail of promos. The deadly 1-2. I don't know what to make of this, pandas. I still am confused. I mean, that's what you're gonna get on this channel. You can get my raw insight, which is this is just confusing. And if you're making tons of money today, congrats. This one's tough for me. If you want more information on the promo, you can go to the pinned message. I work hard on those videos, all right? I work real hard on those videos. About to touch the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Not sure what's going to happen here, though. It just looks so weak. It's just so overlapping. I just can't imagine this really breaking out. No idea. L4 set up on the 5-minute chart. Maybe a reversal here would be nice on 5-minute. I can see that happening. What Albrooks would look for on days like this is on a big gap down. He would look for double tops or wedge tops like this. And he's fully expecting this to continue to downtrend. That's what he would do, I think.
10,000 tick trap.
According to from what I've been reading. He will probably go short here if we see a reversal. Right? Because you got a gap down and a triple push up. Right? 3 failures up. Essentially a wedge, what he'll call it. And really what it is just a bear flag. To him, these are bear flags, so... I would like it to touch the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Right? No more unfinished business. We get very close to it. We have not yet touched it yet, but I'm looking for a reversal at this point. If we can get one. We actually get on the MES. You gotta love it. The MES looks a little different than the ES. This is the MES. This is the ES. Actually hasn't quite touched it on the ES. But the MES does touch it. This is a pretty classic pattern on Al Brooks. Pulling up the encyclopedia as we speak. Hopefully I can get to it before anything crazy happens. Al Brooks says common outcomes here. If you look at the bottom left one here, the bottom left here, you see a triple push. We call it wedge top near the EMA. It's essentially what's happening here. And so this is what the encyclopedia says what will happen. You're welcome. 80% off every month. Let's see what happens here. I don't like the amount of risk I have to take here.
10,000 tick trap.
Taking this wedge top off the 20 MA. Good signal bar in a trading range. Coming back to the bottom trading range. That's what you're expecting. Do I want to risk a little bit more? Like, do I want to move my stop loss a little bit? Probably not. I'll probably let it get hit and just re-enter. Right? If it triggers this L4 setup here, is this L4? No, it's already the L4 setup. If it triggers this and takes me out, then I'll enter again if it goes short. But if it takes me out, I move on. It is what it is, though, at this point. Let's see what happens. Last trade of the session, regardless. Just a wedge top reversal here. Strong bear bar underneath the 20 MA. It's not a bad trade in my opinion. I think it's a good attempt here to do whatever happens here. But of course this can fail and we move on. But all you can do is take the best setups with the best analysis, and I think everything here is telling us we come back into this trading range because we've been in it for so long. With a triple top, back to the 20 MA. It does pop up a little bit here. Unfortunately, it might take us out, but it is what it is. If it happens, it happens. We move on, but you can only really take the trades that you see, and this is what I see, and I think it looks good. Especially with the L4 setup here, actually. This is an L4 setup. I could move my stop loss, but why? I'd rather just get hit and then re-enter, right, if I have the opportunity again. I'd rather just re-enter, because this could be very bad, right? This could reverse here and just crush us. So we'll just let it happen. If it does, takes us out, we move on. Interestingly enough, the 5 minute actually already hits this area. Right? The 5 minute actually... what is it actually? The 50. Okay. Actually, never mind. It's pretty much the same. The MES actually went one tick higher on this bar. I mean, if you want to talk about close calls, pandas. I mean, if you want to talk about diamond cojones, pandas. If you want to talk about second chances, pandas, I think you're seeing one right now. Goodness gracious, I was already conceded. I just said, all right, I already conceded this trade, in my heart. Now this is all extra money for me because I already conceded that trade. Goodness gracious, what in the world was that? Why would the market give me a heart attack like that for no reason? Wow, pandas, wow. Yeah. Yeah, tick dodge that time. They tried to tick shot me, but I just moved my pelvis just an inch, and it just grazed. It grazed the cojones. It grazed the tick. Just slightly. Goodness, man. I mean, this could be really good. I mean, that micro double top now, this could be a strong move down. I almost want to get more. I almost want to get more on this. I almost want to look for a swing trade now for like an all-dayer and just let this hit the 2-to-1 at this point. That's how confident I feel now with that tick safe. If it takes me out, it takes me out. But at this point, I feel like I have another life, so I'll just come out. I'll try to take it all now. Goodness gracious. Give it all to me. Okay, why would it tick shot? Why would it micro double top just to take me out the next bar? That is just silly, pandas. That is just silly if it does that. Why would it do that, pandas? It's silly if it does, no? Isn't that silly if it does take me out now after it just saved my life? Like, why would you save someone's life and then shoot them? Why would you save someone's life and then shoot them in the head? It doesn't make sense, pandas. Why would it do that? Why would you save someone's life just to shoot them in the head right after you save them? It's just silly at this point. It's just ridiculous. Feeling the heat. Come on. Come to Papa. Give me that 2-to-1. Give me that strong breakdown. I still think the trade is good, right? Even if it doesn't work out, I still think it's a decent trade to take, in my opinion. Jishan asks, why in the world would you want to break down here after reversal like that? Wait, what? I want to break down. Well, because it's a wedge top. Wedge top off the 20 minute gap down. I just showed you. If you rewind, you can see all my analysis why I thought so. I even brought up the Brooks Encyclopedia to show why I took this trade, so forth. I'm not sure how much more I can elaborate, but that's the reason why I think this is gonna go down here. Right, we're bouncing off the 20 minute with an L4 setup, the gap down, the wedge top, trading range underneath it. It's just everything about it just makes me feel like it's gonna go down. So, and with all that analysis, I mean, the best thing I can do is go short here. All right, once we hit the green, once we start turning green on this trade, I would take the fire off. But as long as we are like between my entry and my stop loss, I'm feeling the heat. I'm feeling the heat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling the heat right now. Ooh. Pandas, I feel like if this breaks down, it's gonna break down quick. If, you know, don't you guys agree? Like, if this breaks down, don't you think it's gonna be like a flash down? Like, it's gonna just tumble super quick downwards. Don't you feel like that if it breaks down here? Don't you feel like that's, if it does break down here, it's gonna just smash the bottom of the trading range? That's what I feel. I feel like if it breaks down here, like if it creates an inside bar and it breaks to the downside, like I feel like it's gonna just crash. But right now, I'm still red in this trade. Whoo-wee. I'm still red in this trade, Pandas.
10,000
no denying
trap.
There is no denying it. I am still very red in this trade. 10,000 tick chart is concerning because it's clearly above the 20 MA, but with big wicks. Give me an inside bar here. I'm gonna double my position, Pandas. And don't be mad. Don't be mad at me. Don't judge me here. I'm gonna double my position. If we get an inside bar and break to the downside, because I feel like it's gonna crash, Pandas. It's gonna be like water pipes bursting. Wait, what just happened? What? Wait. What just happened? Wait, did I buy? Did I just buy? I'm so confused, Pandas. Did I just buy? No. Wait, what just happened, Pandas? I'm so confused. Wait, did I just buy? I'm so confused, Pandas. What just happened? I'm so confused. What did I just do, Pandas? What in the world did I just do? Alright, I'm in heavy here. Clear stop loss. Clear analysis. Clear reason why I love this trade. Let's get it. Either I lose what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $470, $450, or I make some bamboo here. One or the other. Don't you feel like it's gonna crash though? Like, this says crash written. I don't know what happened to my other trades, pandas. I don't know. Did I accidentally buy? Oh, my stops moved to break even. Is that what happened? No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't do that. I don't know what happened, pandas. All right, we're in though. We're in a better position actually now. We have a better entry now, even better entry. Pandas, get ready. Pandas, get ready. Get ready, pandas. Should I just get to the bottom? I'll come out here. I'll come out here. I thought it was gonna just crash. I thought it was gonna waterfall down. I really thought it was gonna waterfall down. It's making me a little bit concerned that it hasn't yet. I don't know how to do this. I have too many contracts. How do I do this? I'll take half off. I have 20 contracts. I'll take half off here. And then I think this makes sense. For the potential big gains here. I thought this was gonna waterfall, pandas. We got a nice bear bar here. We got trading range, obvious target to the bottom of the trading range. I mean, I thought we were just gonna crash here, pandas. Doesn't look like it now. It's kind of like getting a little bit sus. It's kind of getting really sus. What is happening, pandas? Have I been deceived? I moved the stop loss to break even. I did? Man, I don't know. That is so weird. I thought I entered. Oh, you know, you're right. I grabbed the wrong entry. I grabbed the wrong wrong order. I think I grabbed the stop loss instead of the new entry. It's all good though, pandas.
10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, this is not good. Please don't take me out. Ooh, this is not good. This is not good, pandas. When we thought it was gonna just tumble, it's reversing again. This is not good, pandas. Ooh, it's coming right up. It's gonna take me out, huh? It's gonna stop hunt me. I feel it. I feel the stop hunt about to happen. I feel it. I feel the stop hunt. This is not good, pandas. This is not good. Hopefully the 20 EMA can protect us here. I feel a stop hunt though. I feel like it's gonna take me out and maybe just reverse right off my stop hunt. Off my stop loss. Ooh, this is not good though. Yikes. Right, when you thought it was gonna break down, it does the opposite, and it's usually very strong. Opposite reaction. Oh well, I tried. I tried my best. I truly did. And so be it, pandas. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I thought we had a very nice move down. I thought we had the inside bar. I thought we had a lot going for us. And can you blame me for taking that trade? I don't know. Can you? Can you blame me for taking that trade? I thought it was a good trade, pandas. Maybe I traded way too aggressive though. Hindsight's always 20/20. But pandas, no way. Please. You're not telling me right now I'm getting a triple top here. Pandas. If we get a triple top here, pandas, that's gonna be insane. Pandas. If we get a triple top here, it's just meant to be. It's just meant to be. Triple top. I don't think so. Not this time. Ooh, okay. At least it took me. At least it didn't give me slippage. I could, that's the best I can ask. At least it didn't give me slippage, pandas. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. What a tricky market. I really thought we had a nice wedge here coming off the 20 MA, and I really thought we had a good setup. But the market is confusing. Goodness gracious. You know what? It does bounce off the ledge here. Perfectly. The 10,000 tick chart also clearly above the 20 MA, which gave me concern. Well, it did concern me. That did concern me. Right, with the 5-minute and the 20 MA not coinciding, essentially. Man, pandas. I mean, can you blame me for that trade? I don't know. I liked it. It was a wedge. Everything about it was okay, I felt like. I don't know. I don't know what I could have done better. I don't know what I could have done better. One thing I could definitely done better is I went super aggressive, right? Especially on the 5-minute, where we had this inside bar forming, and then we broke to the bottom of the inside bar. I felt like that was it, or that was our sign to enter. And man, oh, it is what it is. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Even though we got hit, we do have BBM 80. So if I bust these, oh well, I can pass them, and just know that tomorrow there's news. 8:30 a.m. Big news. Unemployment claims. Will it make or break your account? I don't know. But I think from this week, that's probably the best news to try to attempt to make or break your account, which is essentially trying to pass your evals in one single trade off the news event at 8:30. I do not encourage you to do that at all with PA accounts, only with evals, because Apex doesn't care how you trade your evals, essentially. But pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. And though we had a red day, I think the setups I took today were worth taking. And, sometimes it just don't work out. So it is what it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.